In this video, I will be showing you Canva 50th birthday invitation. Let's get started. I'm starting on the Canva templates homepage and clicking on the invitation category to see the available options. In the search bar at the top, I'll type in 50th birthday invitation and select the matching suggestion from the drop-down menu. I'll browse through the results and select this elegant black and gold glamorous photo invitation. After reviewing the print details, I'll click Customize this template to open the editor. First, I want to change the photo, so I'll go to the Elements tab and search for a 50-year-old man. I'll switch over to the Photos tab, find a portrait that fits the vibe, and drag it directly over the existing image to replace it. I'll double-click the photo to adjust the crop and then click Done. Now I'll search for gold dust to add some extra decorative elements. I'm selecting a gold star, resizing it, and placing it in the top corner, then adding another one to the right side. I'll select the years of text and open the transparency tool to fade it back slightly. Next, I'll pick out a vertical gold shimmer graphic, drag it to the left side of the design, and scale it up to create a nice border effect. I'll double-click the name and change it to Peter. Then I'll update the party details to 3 p.m. on May 25th. I want to change the style of the script text, so I'll open the font menu and preview a few different options like Adelia and Anthony Hunter before deciding on Australia Custom Italic. To give the age more impact, I'll search for a gold number 5. I'll delete the original balloon number and position the new 5 on the canvas. To make the 0 match, I'll select it and adjust the color to a similar gold tone. Now that the invitation looks perfect, I'll click Share in the top right corner, select Download, and save the final design as a PNG. Thanks for watching.